Okay, this is what I got going. Our next project is that DR. And I got to get this home and get the other mower back on here, and I got to get this one off. Hopefully it starts right away because I did not bring jumper cables or anything with me because I have the truck cleaned out. So let's get this a cold start. Hopefully it will start and go from there. Well, I started better than I thought it was gonna, and then I just park it over here on the side next to my motorcycle there, which probably started that up here in about another month. But let's go get the other things, or let's go get everything else switched around. Okay, the reason why I brought this back home, if you did not see any videos on this last fall, or if you're a new subscriber this year, I have a hard time with this muffler staying tight. And it loosened up again last fall, so I am going to have to take all of this apart, and I'm going to Loctite all them studs and nuts and everything on there so that doesn't come loose again, because I'm just tired of dealing with it. And then our snow is disappearing. That's less than 3 feet of snow there in the bank, and there's probably only 6-8 inches out there where by the pine tree you start seeing some green grass. So the snow's on its way out. We got probably about another week and we'll be able to have the most of it all gone. So that is going to be the end of my video for today. It's not a whole lot of a video, but it's a bunch of cold starting and moving things around, just trying to get everything organized and ready to go, because I have a busy week coming up and I'm trying to get everything fit in as best as possible, because this stuff is going to sneak up on us really fast. I just know it is. So that's going to be the end of my video for today. I thank you for watching and subscribing. If you check out the links in the description box below, I greatly appreciate it. Everybody have a good day, and we will see you on the next one.